In this video, you will learn how to delete Snapchat. Public profile: many people create public profiles to share their content with a larger audience. However, if you no longer want your public profile, it's easy to remove it. And I will guide you through each step of the process. First things first, let's open up the Snapchat app on our phones. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon, located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on Public Profile. Now that we in your Public Profile section, look for the gear icon at the top, right corner, tap on it. This will take us into the settings for your Public Profile. Scroll all the way down to find an option called Clear Public Profile tab. On Clear Public Profile, and a pop-up will appear. This is important because it tells us exactly what will happen. If we proceed with this action, it states that everything you've added to your public profile will be deleted. This includes your bio profile photo, any public story you've shared, and even those stories saved directly to your profile. Any snaps you've submitted to Spotlight or posted on SnapMap will remain. They just won't show your name unless you decide to use your public profile again later. If you're sure about deleting everything and you're ready to move forward, tap Clear to confirm, and that's it. Now, nobody will be able to see your public profile anymore if you change your mind later. Remember that you can always create another one whenever you'd like. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below.